Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to create a TikTok account. It is very simple and easy process, so let's jump into the video and sign up for your TikTok account. For creating TikTok account, when you will open the TikTok application, you will find this screen. On this screen, you can sign up for TikTok by using an email, by using an Facebook account, or by using an Google account. But the easiest way is to use your Google account as a sign up option. So click on the continue with Google button and you will see all the Google accounts. Click on the Google account with which you want to create your TikTok account. So click on it and after some loading, this page will appear. On this page, you have to select your birth date. I am selecting mine. My birthday is 17 November 2001. You can wish me if you are seeing this in my birthday month. After this, click on next button. After some loading, this page will appear. Here you have to choose your nickname. This will be shown on your profile. So I am choosing my nickname. After choosing nickname, click on continue. And as you can see, after some loading, my TikTok account has been created. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.